He worried about looking all crazy and then
I would've put
doing all
like
this
that.
old hip twist
I
and
be
shit. Man,
too- I
sit
be
your
too-
ass down,
I
man. You
be
ain't,
too.
by the time you twist your hips, they on your ass, nigga. Come on, hey, your ass running
You
like
trying to play like a white man.
man. Sit
Nah,
down.
yes it is. What you talking about, twisting?
Stupid ass. Yeah,
That's how the white man play, twisting.
Oh shit, twisting and shit.
Yeah, that ain't no,
Like,
that ain't how no brother play no football. That's what's wrong with him, man. He trying to play how they teaching him how to play.
Yep.
He a 7-round pick.
Man,
They trying to groom him how to play like the white boy play.
I tell you, he up here twisting.
He
and
can't
shit.
do it. He can't
Like,
do
hey,
it.
you doing twisting and shit.
He
Like,
got to be just like Lamar Jackson. Then he got to be a nigga and play football. If he played in the street, and he's from Louisiana.
damn, he's sitting up here doing all this twisting.
Yeah,
What the hell are you
he
doing,
from
man?
Louisiana, yeah.
By the time you do that one twist, they gonna on your ass. You ain't got no
you
time
don't
for
need
twist.
twist. That's just every night. It ain't got there when you got to get out on sprint or something, yeah. But the thing is, that's how you play. Come on, bro.
Dumbass.
No, that ain't how brothers play football,
No.
Mike. You know that.
You got bullshit.
That ain't how brothers
Twisting
play no
and
damn
shit.
football, man.
He shimmy his hips.
And they only brother play on football.
Prescott full of shit, boy. I tell you, he is full of shit. He gotta be on his shit.
I just want him to win because he's a cowboy. I don't.
Me too, man.
Prescott
Damn,
ain't
you on the
win
team,
shit.
nigga. You know, try to motivate you, but damn, bro, you gotta play your part too.
They got a
Shit.
They got a system
I
for
can't
a
motivate
quarterback.
somebody when the fuck you still want to be a fucker. I can't
Cause
motivate
he
you.
ain't directed nothing. You know, I've been seeing all week them quarterbacks in they receiver. Aaron Rodgers, they been had him all on TV. They ain't showed Dak and his receivers doing nothing. I'm telling you, they been showing all week.
Yeah, I've been saying old
Well,
boy.
man, why don't you call? Y'all bring y'all ass up here and we gonna start out. So
saw
Cincinnati, yeah, you
somebody
gotta
on
have
there
some
talking
leadership,
shit.
man. You gotta have leadership.
I saw somebody on there talking shit.
Dak
too.
ain't the leadership though. What's it called?
Everybody saying
That boy on the
he gotta
defense
step
here.
up.
That boy on the defense here. What his name?
Boy, who talking about he want some more money. I know.
No, I'm talking about the
mad.
boy on the defense. What's it?
I'm-
Number 11.
Oh, person, ain't.
No.
Number 11 from heaven.
That's what I'm saying.
Number 11 from heaven.
Yeah, he come from Penn State.
That's that boy.
That's why I said
That motherfucker hungry.
Cowboys gonna be tough.
That boy come with that on.
It's gonna take Dak to fuck it off. I promise.
And that's it.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, that's all you have to say right there.
Gonna
Dak
take
gonna be
that
the one to
fuck it off.
fuck it off.
They ready. They ready right now. They got Stephon Gilmore. You know, he was the MVP one year defensive player of the league.
Shit.
When he was from Patriots.
You know, I don't watch none of that old Fred Dre. I wait till the mother.
He gonna have a pretty good defense.
Cause
Can
he
he-
fuck the last.
Can he win a game?
Yeah.
That's all what it's gonna come down to. Dak, can you win a game?
Shit.
Just see the game 27-25. You got the ball last all minute. Dak ain't gonna throw the motherfucking right play. He got to go and look. He got to go look for
He
it.
gonna try to run.
No, you got to go look for it.
Out of bounds.
You got to go look. He got to go look for it. I ain't never looked for no play. I know what it plays.
Okay. Especially if you the one calling the motherfucker.
Come on, man.
You calling the play. They ain't like
No, he trying to play like they telling him, Mike.
That shit crazy.
Shit, you can't play that shit.
Crazy motherfuckers sitting up here won't listen to everybody, nigga. Is they telling you how to run when the motherfucker chasing your ass? Shit. Do they tell you run with your left foot before the right foot? No, man, it's just instinct sometimes, bro. It's just crazy.
Nah, I think
He sit up there, get in the middle, tell me, oh, I took all the blame.
I think
Bitch, why you gonna blame, bitch?
I think he done went
Oh,
white,
man.
Mike. I think he done went white.
Well, shit, that wasn't all right.
Shit,
Can't be sitting up there acting like you know what
I
you
think
doing
he
and shit.
went
You get up in there.
He
You
trying to
going
play how they
15 yards back before you throw the ball.
He trying to play how they tell him to play because
This
he's a
is not-
7-round pick.
Yeah,
But he
but-
done got his money now.
Well,
He done got his money now. All he need to do is play football and win. You know, that nigga beat Alabama in college.
Yeah, I know that's what they when he got his
They
ass
were number
whooped.
one. They
I
were
think he got
number
his ass
one
whooped.
1 week, and then the next week they lost it. But
I
they were
think he got
number
his ass
one
whooped
1
after
week.
that fight.
That's why I always go for him because I think he got a chance.
Yeah, bless his heart.
He got a good chance, yeah. Well, nobody looking for that man to be in that position.
I don't give a damn.